Carving out a new path, unlocking opportunities. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting English phrase that's all about change and initiative. Carve out a new path. This phrase is packed with inspiration and action, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how you can use it in your daily conversations and life. So, let's get started and unlock the potential this phrase holds. Carve out a new path is an idiomatic expression in English. To carve means to cut something into a shape or form, often using tools. However, when we use this phrase metaphorically, it signifies making your own way in life, career, or any endeavor, especially when it's different from the norm or from what others expect. It's about innovation, determination, and the courage to pursue new directions. A new path implies an approach or route that hasn't been taken before. It symbolizes fresh starts and unexplored opportunities. When someone decides to carve out a new path, they're not just seeking change, they're actively creating it. This path could be in their personal life, such as adopting a new lifestyle, or professional life, like starting a unique business or changing careers entirely. To bring this phrase to life, let's look at some examples. An engineer who quits their job to start an organic farm, carving out a new path in sustainable agriculture. A teacher who develops an innovative teaching method, creating a new path in education that others can follow. An individual who, feeling unfulfilled in their current life, decides to travel the world, paving a new path for personal discovery and growth. You can use carve out a new path in various situations, such as encouraging someone to pursue their dreams. You have the skills and passion needed to carve out a new path in the art world. Motivating change. If you're not happy with how things are, it's time to carve out a new path for yourself. Celebrating innovation. This new technology will carve out a new path for renewable energy. Carve out a new path is more than just an expression. It's a powerful reminder of our ability to initiate change and pursue unique directions in life. Whether you're encouraging someone else or deciding to take a leap of faith yourself, remember that carving out a new path is all about embracing the unknown with courage and creativity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video inspires you to carve out your own new paths in life. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and see you in the next video.